Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And what are we painting today?
A megalodon.
A megalodon, what is that?
It's an ancient shark.
An ancient shark, so it's extinct.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But we're going to be drawing like a different one. We're going to be drawing one from a video game.
Oh, okay.
So it's from the game called Fish. It's on Roblox, Fisch.
Oh, okay. Well, what do we need for that?
We need red, black, orange, and white.
Okay, let's get to it. Megalodon. All right, so first off, let's just start with his head. And that'll be right around here. And then we're going to go up. All the way down to about there.
Okay.
And then he's got like these spikes all over him. So we want to make sure those spikes look like they're in front of this. So we'll start with one right there. And something like that. Okay. And then we're going to come all the way down here to the tail, that. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll round it off, and then we'll come back down this way. Good. And then we're going to make some of his fins. So he's got a bunch of fins. They're going to look like that. Good. And then it's kind of wavy. Okay. And then we're going to do another fin, which is like the middle fin. And kind of the same thing, it's going to be wavy.
I wonder how many of them there were.
Oh, I don't know. Probably a lot. And then do another line that parallels it. And then kind of disappears. Okay? And the third one is going to be the longest one and the biggest one. And again, it's going to come down. And this one's going to be pretty big. And the same thing, we're going to make it wavy. Good. And this one's also going to have another wavy. You just kind of go parallel to it. Good. Okay, now let's finish the body. So what we're going to do is, that's why we did these first. So now we can go behind these fins. You got to just kind of imagine where they're coming out. Something like that. Good. Okay, now let's finish up his face here. So he's going to have his nose like this. And then he's going to have his mouth. Good. And then we're just going to finish that off and come down here and meet up with this line as if it was behind there. Good. And then what, obviously, it wouldn't be a shark without shark teeth. So what we'll do is we're going to make some shark teeth. And we're also going to, once we color this in, it's going to give it a little different look too. Okay? Okay, so now what we're gonna do his eye, and he's got kind of this weird eye. We're just gonna kind of make a right there. This guy's getting creepy looking. Okay, and then so let's start back on his back now, and we're gonna start making a couple spikes, some fins. So we'll do maybe like a little one right here, and then obviously they're gonna have a big shark fin, kind of right here, and he's actually got a couple of these. So we'll do another one right here. Maybe this one goes behind that one.
I had mine coming like kind of out of the other one.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're going to continue down and a couple more down here. And as they get closer to the tail, they're going to get smaller and smaller. Good. And now, speaking of his tail, we got to do that. So what we'll do is we'll start here, and I'm not going to go right to the line, and when we color, it'll look a little more like what I'm thinking here. So we'll come up, and then like a little bit of this. Good. And then all the way down, and then back up. Good. That looks great. Well, I think it's about ready to fast forward and bring our Megalodon to life.
Yes.
Okay.
We're back from fast forwarding, and I think the ancient Megalodons turned out great.
Yes, they look creepy.
So I just want to go over with some of the colors that we used for the ancient Megalodon. So with the top half of the gray, we mixed black with the white, and you want a lot of, like, not too much, but just to make it dark. And then we mixed just like really light, just a little tad bit of it for the bottom half of it. And then for like the fins right here, we went in between, like the in-between color. And then we used some of the orange for the eyes and the teeth.
Okay. Well, I think it looks great. I had fun with this one. Well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature!
Well, we want to thank you again for joining us for another video with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your Megalodon, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye for now.